I'm meteorologist in my city. It's Wednesday's Weather MadnessCast, and out to the plains we go. Alrighty. Big thunderstorms up here yesterday. More big storms tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big day up in there. And then we got an upper level low that's sitting over the Ohio Valley this morning. We have a backdoor cold front that's starting to come southbound, and that's going to get thunderstorms rolling. And eventually that backdoor cold front is going to head all the way down toward North Carolina. And we still have another upper level low down here as well, which will produce some thunderstorms across that area. All right, so radar picture this morning. You can see we got some showers and thunderstorms up here in the northeast, some down here through the Ohio Valley and Tennessee valleys this morning. And some leftover showers and thunderstorms up here. There will be some thunderstorms up across parts of Minnesota and Wisconsin today with the remnants of that system going through. All right, here is the surface map for this evening. You can see that backdoor cold front. Once this low gets out of the way, that cold front's going to go on down like this and bring cooler weather for the mid-Atlantic states on Friday. And so it'll cut the heat off for a few days, and the heat's going to come back again. And meanwhile, the heat will stay out through the Ohio Valley all the way through here. The heat will stay. And then tomorrow we have a big day of severe weather as this system comes out of Montana. There'll be some snow up in the mountains of Montana. And could be some big tornado activity out here across parts of the Dakotas. Meanwhile, showers and thunderstorms will be down through the mid-Atlantic states as that backdoor cold front starts to slide southbound. It should be a little cooler north of that front tomorrow, and certainly on Friday. All right, here's the, this is my severe weather map that I issued yesterday. Looks pretty good for tomorrow. This will be your tornado area out here. And in regards to storms today, New Jersey up through central PA to Ontario, be some storms in there that can be a little frisky at times. And then this is tomorrow. This is this big day of severe weather coming through. A lot of big storms, a lot of high winds coming through, hail and everything else. And if you even look at the rotation tracks, a lot of rotation tracks through here. So certainly toward Rapid City, into central Nebraska and central North Dakota, there's going to be some interesting storms tomorrow. And certainly going to be a lot of damage going on with these storms coming through. So it should be a big day of severe weather coming up. Alrighty, everybody's getting interested in the tropics. There's our tropical map, nothing on there right now. We are going to start watching the southern Gulf of Mexico here in a few days for development. The GFS model, this is what it came up with today, has this poor area of Louisiana got hit so many times last year, and now it has another storm coming up. So it has a major hurricane coming in around the 22nd. Okay, now again, as I always caution you, these things can change. It could be over here, it could be down in here, it could be over here, it could be over there, it could be over here, it could be anywhere. This is just what the GFS is showing. The European model has a weaker storm over in the western Gulf of Mexico about the same time period. Okay, then after that the GFS takes it up into the Mississippi Valley. Now, why I'm showing you this is that if any storm does develop, it's going to have to go northward, okay, just the way it works in June. And so we're going to have to deal with some heavy rains with whatever storm develops, whether it's a weak storm or a big storm. There is going to be a tendency toward heavy rains coming with it, okay. So this ends up heading up toward Ontario with time, but again, don't take that as gospel, okay. It's just, you know, it's just one model's opinion on what's going to happen, and this model has been changing every day, every run, and every 6 hours. It changes position and intensity of the storm. So, you know, I just wanted to show you that everything's been consistently showing there's a storm coming. Okay, we still got to figure out the intensity and the track, which is not certain yet, but we know when it's coming. All right, that's it for now. Meteorologist, Hermberg City.